channel, and y'all already seen the thumbnail and title, so you know what this video is about. So yeah guys, this is my first time trying, you know, a little frontal on my own without my, you know, my lovely mother's assistance. But you know, there's a first for everything, so I gotta learn at some point. So I don't know how good or how bad this is gonna turn out, so yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay y'all, so this is the hair. Like, this is her. She is this, and it is synthetic. You know, I wanted to, you know, keep it simple for the first time, but it looks really good and it's really soft. Like, it looks good to me. For me, it's like, you know, we gonna upgrade at some point. You know, my mom don't trust me right now, but we gonna upgrade at some point. Alright, so this is from It's a Wig. That's the name of like the company, I guess, and the name of it is Frontal Lace Dara. Yeah, that's the name. So it's in color 1. I'm pretty sure all black hair is color 1. So yeah, that's where I got it from, and it ranges, I don't remember where exactly I ordered it from, but I know it was, all of the sites are in between 45 and 44. So no matter where you get it from, it's gonna either be 44 or 45. So yeah guys, this is really soft, and it says on here that it is iron friendly from up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you know, if you want to do a little something, you know, it won't melt away. So it's just not, you know, full out synthetic. But okay, so I got my hair pulled back in this little bonnet thingy because I didn't have a cap that fit my skin tone, and I wanted to do it without a cap, but it kept pulling up my hair, and you know, I don't do the breakage. So I just pulled this back and did, you know, like a little black scarf or whatever. You really can't see it or whatever. So I'm just gonna try this on. So this is what it's, wow, it just got all stuck in my lip gloss. Let me take this tag off first of all. Okay, so this is what it, you know, looks like without me even doing anything to it. It's all stuck in my lip gloss. So let me just fix that up somewhere. As y'all can see, y'all can't, you know, really see the scarf, but this is what it looks like without me, you know, doing anything. And right now, it don't feel like it'll get all tangly, but I'm sure it will. So let me just show y'all what the hairline looks like. So it could be, you know, plucked just a tad bit more, because it's like they tried to pluck it, but at the same time they didn't really care about plucking it too much. So okay, so this is what I have now after I've done, you know, some plucking and all. So I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to cut off, you know, this excess hair. With my head, it's not a lot, but I ain't just trying to cut off too much. So I'm gonna try to be careful with this, because I don't need no little gap. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this hair is really nice. Just wow. It is really nice, and it looks really genuine, really. Like, it's just not still, you know, like synthetic hair. It don't look all ugh. Like, you know, it's flowy and shiny and bouncy, and you know, it don't look that bad. The lace, it could be, you know, a little better. It's a little dark. You know, most lace is lighter so that it blends in with your skin tone. But it's whatever. I made it work when it works, how it works. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and you're probably gonna need to keep a comb on you, cause this hair does tangle. You know, it doesn't tangle too easily, but like it can get nappy if you don't, you know, comb it like every hour or something. You know, not just you gotta comb it consistently, but you know, every hour. So like I said, you can put a little bit of heat to this. So, you know, if it's flopping and you really don't like the way it's looking, then, you know, just a tad bit of heat. But y'all, it's really cute, and y'all see it's really shiny, and it looks really good. Like, y'all wouldn't even think of nothing for real. Well, maybe, you know, y'all experts, y'all would know. I know y'all would know. But y'all know, anybody else, y'all just walk by me, and I'm just, and it's long, so where, so I can't save my weave still, save my weave still, but yeah, it's really cute, y'all. I would recommend this hair, and it comes in different colors too. So yeah, this is really nice, really nice. Definitely, if you're not trying to pay a lot, neither, you just need something, you know, quick, simple, baddie vibe. Yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you guys